Hello, welcome. We have two hard disks in front of us. One is Western Digital and another is Samsung 250 gigabyte and Western Digital 1 terabyte. They are from different vendor and different capacity, but their built-in structure and working procedure are almost same, and they have same port. You can see this one has a broken SATA port. It was same as this one, but this hard disk is good except this broken SATA port. So I don't open this now. I'll repair it someday. Today we'll play with this one. This one is completely gone and we can do anything with it. Already I disassemble this board and some component too. I also disassemble this port thing, as you can see. The board has a lot of electronics component, as you can see. A big chip, also a big chip. The board has some chip, 1, 2, 3, some diode, transistor, maybe transistor or MOSFET, maybe it is MOSFET. These are capacitor, these are resistor, and here is also some tiny capacitor and tiny resistor MOSFET. This one is diode. And I don't know what is this 6 pin, 8 pin something. I don't know. In the back side there is nothing except the trace. So now we will open this thing and see what's inside. Oh, we have to open this screw or screwdriver set. Which one is fit for? Maybe this one. We can use this board as donor board. We can use these components for fixing any gadgets. No, it's not open. I think it has a hidden screw inside this sticker. It's a bad hard disk and I don't need to be so careful, but I did it because of good practice. Material is not open. Is there any screw? Oh, so it was sealed. That's why it takes some time to open. Okay, what we can find here? It has two discs. This is head. There is some electromagnetic mechanism to move it left and right. The disk is moving because of this motor. Today we will collect this motor and try to run a fan with it. And there is also two strong magnet. Here is our magnet. They are strong, very strong. How can I open this thing? Maybe this one. Still it's not open. I have to open this to screw. No, then what we can do? Let's open this. Yes, here is our motor and it has 3 screws. Open this screw and the motor will be released from the body of hard disk. Here is our motor, powerful motor. The motor is, I don't know, it's RPM, but it's powerful, what I can say. We don't need this, we only need this motor for our experiment. So here is our motor. There is 2 discs. I have another disc. This one I collect from another hard disk, and this is the main thing we need for running our motor. So I already connect motor. This one is also hard disk motor, almost same, and they have same pin, 4 pin. This one has 4 pin and this one has 4 pin too, and this controller is for 4 pin motor. So let's see what happens when we power it up. Positive 12 volt and negative 12 volt. We can see here is a red LED and here is a jumper. It is 2 mode, clockwise and counterclockwise. I need clockwise so it can run this way and can blow. Yeah, let's fire it up. Can you feel the air? So powerful. Nice. I think if we use a better blade, it will produce more air. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Please like, share my video and subscribe my channel.